Good morning, everybody, and welcome to today's severe weather update. So the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded a portion of far southeastern Texas to an enhanced risk of severe weather today, and this includes Lufkin and Houston, Texas. We have a slight risk for East Texas, southern Arkansas, much of Louisiana, and far western Mississippi in the yellow, and a marginal risk in the dark green as well. And unfortunately, this upgrade is driven by a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location across southeastern Texas. This area is also hatched, which means that we could be seeing a couple of EF2 or stronger tornadoes, including in the Houston metro area. So make sure you have your tornado shelter plan in place if you live in and around the Houston area. Scattered tornadoes are likely across much of East Texas, southern Arkansas, Louisiana, and far western Mississippi, with a 5% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location in the brown. And we have a 2% tornado risk in the green shaded region as well. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 15% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across East Texas, southern Arkansas, most of Louisiana, and far western Mississippi. 5% damaging wind risk in the brown area. So make sure you're on guard for scattered damaging winds if you live across the Ark-La-Tex area, and isolated damaging wind gusts in the brown shaded area. And taking a look at our hail threat today, we have a 15% hail threat across central East Texas and western Louisiana in the yellow, and a 5% hail threat in the brown shade region today. So taking a look at the timing of the storms, storms are initiating right now this morning, and by the time we go into the noon hour, going to be seeing a lot of storm coverage from Dallas through Bryan College Station, Austin through Houston. But once we start going into about 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon, this is where we could start seeing supercells pop up all around the Houston metro area, seeing lots of semi-discrete cells around 2 o'clock in southeastern Texas. So make sure you're really watching this tornado threat closely if you live across southeastern Texas. And this will go into 3, 4, 5 o'clock, still looking at numerous semi-discrete cells in southeastern Texas, including the Houston metro area. And then the storms will move into Louisiana and far eastern Texas as we go into about 7 p.m. this evening, seeing a line form from southeast Texas through northern Louisiana, transitioning over to a damaging wind threat, which will gradually diminish as we go through the evening and overnight. Maybe a little bit of a damaging wind threat as well into northwestern Mississippi as we go into early tomorrow morning. So make sure you're preparing for numerous tornadoes over the next few hours if you live across southeastern Texas, especially in the yellow shade region. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone had a Merry Christmas and have a wonderful day, my friends.